Besides healthy psychosocioeconomic measures, a major criterion for successful aging is a well-maintained dietary habit and uncompromised nutritional status. This is achieved via a sustained ability to chew proper foods. Collectively, this becomes more significant in light of thriving life expectancy and rising longevity figures globally. Whether due to caries, periodontal disease, and/or trauma, dental extraction continues to be one of the most commonly performed surgical procedures worldwide. Tooth extraction ensue physiologic wound healing and bone remodeling processes of the resultant socket, usually resulting in deformities of the alveolar residual ridge, including reduced height and width. Such voluminous changes render the placement of a conventional bridge, denture, or even an implant-supported crown particularly challenging and complicated. Further, most extractions continue to be performed with no regard for preventing the onset of alveolar osteitis, also known as dry socket, especially in the elderly with comprised wound healing capacity. Hence, such serious bone resorptive morphological changes result in significant facial deformities, functional or eating complications, and negative impact on overall quality of life. Finally, current commercially available solutions are limited and continue to be lacking. Herein, SockPlug is an all-natural, drug-free, viscous and sticky yet easily injectable thermosensitive and responsive hydrogel. It is suitable for use as an intra-alveolar or intrasocket dressing, proper for clinical application in fresh dental extraction sockets. Briefly, SockPlug is composed of FDA-approved biocompatible and biodegradable naturally osteogenic, angiogenic, and intrinsic antimicrobial and pain-soothing biopolymers, a blend self-assembled electrostatically to formulate a scaffolding matrix. SockPlug is designed for use immediately post-exodontia, in order to first, reduce postoperative pain and prevent the onset of alveolar osteitis via securing the fibrin clot in situ and protecting or sealing the socket from contamination and infection. Endogenously promote wound healing and bone remodeling processes to timely preserve the volume of the alveolus for a more feasible prosthetic restoration. Furthermore, SockPlug and the SockGL platform allows the incorporation of bioactive agents, including bone morphogenetic proteins and stem cells, loaded into lipid-based release-controlled nanocapsules for an accelerated tissue regenerative outcome, intended for use in severely compromised cases and defects. Overall, SockPlug is a simple, inexpensive, stable, user-friendly, easily injectable and biodegradable hydrogel with a thermoresponsive property, providing extraction sockets with a suture-free, protective and secure seal to the exposed fibrin clot against highly prevalent orodental pathogens. SockPlug alleviates post-exodontia pain and prevents the development of alveolar osteitis and consequently enhances localized osteoregenerative and wound healing processes, resulting in a preserved alveolar residual ridge. This facilitates functional and aesthetic restoration, cost and time effectively. It is patent pending as a palliative alternative to expensive and risky bone grafting procedures, particularly fit for all patients, in general, and the compromised geriatric patient, in specific.